Hello guys and welcome to another redstone tutorial. This time I show you an obsidian generator. So now you'll think, what happens with these two spots that don't have redstone on them? For those who don't know, lava will come down, and if redstone is touching the water, it will turn into obsidian. But what happens here? The lava will spill all over the place and you have to... yeah, you will have problems. But in my model, you'll see it has an automatic, oh fuck, I should have put redstone there mechanism that helps you, yeah, that your place stays clean and no lava spills out. So, let's go to the tutorial. So we start with the floor. It's 7 wide and 3 long. We have 2 pillars on each side. In between of these two, there will be the pistons to keep the lava where it should be, and the button goes right there. Then we go up 2 and place our dispensers facing down, 5 next to each other. Now we place the pistons on a row of blocks and pistons facing upwards, and just another row of blocks. Then repeater pointing into the blocks the pistons are on, and redstone behind them. So there is a chance that the obsidian you mine will fall behind the pistons. So we just break this block and put hoppers behind here. So if it falls down, it will collect and bring it here where you can take it out and be happy. Now the water. If you have obsidian, you could put it here in this row. So if you mine the obsidian, you don't break the block behind. But if you don't have, and maybe you don't have, because else you wouldn't need the generator, you just build 4 blocks, so you can't reach the block that's behind there. Even in creative you're not able to. And just enclose this. Now we place water on all 5 spots and cover it up, just like so. Now about the wiring. Find the block the button is on, go behind it, 1 lower, and place a block there. Place another block there. Then take a slab, place it there. Take dust, place it all over your dispensers. 1 block there. And 4 repeaters, all on 4 ticks. Then place a block there. Take the redstone up and place 1 there. There you have 1 click, the lava comes out, and just after it turned into obsidian, or not if you didn't place redstone, the second click will come and suck the lava all in. Now for your safety, make a little stair that goes down here, just to your repeaters we placed before, and put redstone all over here, that it connects with this one. If you rearrange the redstone, you have to watch that the distance from the button to these repeaters here is more than 15 blocks, because the pistons should only extend with the second pulse. So if it's less than 15 blocks, it would also extend with the first pulse that shoots the lava out, and all your redstone will be destroyed. And we don't want that. So we're almost finished. Just put your lava buckets in these dispensers, and again, for your safety, put half slabs, or you could whole blocks, but I think it's prettier if you just put half slabs, because you see the lava come down, but it can't reach you. It's like, haha, you can't reach me. So you wouldn't need them if you always place redstone and never ever push this button if there is obsidian. But there you go, it won't come out because it sucks it in. But if there is obsidian, the lava will spread faster and come out here, like that. So we want that, we don't want that. And put half slabs there. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Put redstone there, just a little test, and it's pretty good, I think. If you want, you can replace this hopper with a chest, but I don't think you will mine that much obsidian, so you'll need a chest there, and it won't fall often behind the piston, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye!